Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 26,725. It is crashing, tested 27,000 yesterday and continuously crashing. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend today. Today is Friday, so I will recommend not to trade. It's better for safe trader not to trade on Fridays. If risky trader want, they can trade, but you should trade in a low quantity. Now let's have a look at resistance and support. Dow Jones resistance stands at 26,980, 27,000. Both are good resistance, so make sure you do not go for buy if resistance are intact. Support stands at 26,490. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Risky trader can initiate sell around 26,800 with stop loss of 27,000. Please note these are the risky trades because of Friday, and I will not recommend you to hold any position for Monday. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 3240. Let's have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 support stands at 3210. S&P 500 resistance stands at 3271. Currently it is also trading in negative zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Risky trader can initiate a sell around 3250, 3255 with stop loss of 3271. Make sure you do not hold any position for Monday. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart, currently trading 10,900. It is the only indices which is in positive zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq support stands at 10,790. Nasdaq resistance at 11,100. This is the index. This is the index which is trading in positive zone, so if risky trader want, they can initiate a buy around 920 with a stop loss of 10,790 for target of 11,100 and 300. Currently Dow Jones and S&P are in negative zone, Nasdaq in positive zone. All indexes are not in sync, so make sure you do not trade big quantity, and even if you are trading in small quantity, you should not hold any position for Monday. Now let's move on to commodity pack. First we will see gold. This is gold chart, currently trading 1860. It had made low around 1855-54, but it is not trading and not sustaining below 1855. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Gold support stands at $1849. Gold resistance would be $1878. Currently gold is in flat to positive zone, but make sure you do not hold any position for Monday because 1849 is a very major support. Once market break 1849 and manage to sustain below this level, then expect gold to test around 1820 and $1800. Currently gold is in positive to flat to positive zone. Now let's have a look at euro, then we will see crude oil. This is euro chart, currently trading 1640. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Euro resistance stands at 1690. Euro support stands at 1580. Currently euro is trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Risky trader can initiate a sell with stop loss of 1690, but make sure you do not hold any position for Monday. Now we will move to crude oil. This is crude oil chart, currently trading almost $40. It had made low around 39.80. Let's have a look at resistance and support. This is WTI crude oil, also known as US crude oil. Crude oil resistance stands at 41.20. Crude oil support at 39.50. Crude oil trend is flat to positive, so avoid major position because it is not going anywhere. It is trading in $1.50 since Monday. So if you are trading in crude oil, make sure you book all position before closing. I will not recommend any position to hold for Monday. Now we will see Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin currently trading in positive zone and 10,620. Now we will see resistance and support. Then we will assess the trend. So I have already told you, so we will not assess the trend. Bitcoin support stand $10,450. Bitcoin resistance at $10,820. Risky trader can initiate a buy around 600 with stop loss of 450 for target of 10,800 and 11,000. If safe trader want to trade, they can trade in Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin break 10,450, they can initiate a sell with stop loss of 10,700 for target of 10,200 and 10,000. That's it for this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want live updates, I usually give live updates on my Telegram channel. If Telegram is banned in your country, you can also join me on Twitter. I have given my Twitter link in description. I will see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.